This ancient soil fix multiplies plant growth by 5 times. What if the secret to the lushest, fastest-growing plants wasn't in a bottle of chemical fertilizer, but, buried in the wisdom of the past? Imagine your soil coming alive, just teeming with life, holding water like a sponge, and feeding your crops for years without constant reapplication. This isn't a gardener's daydream. It's actually a forgotten, time-tested method that's quietly making a comeback and multiplying plant growth in ways modern techniques just can't match. For centuries, civilizations thrived without synthetic fertilizers. They grew food in abundance, season after season, without stripping the soil of life. Their secret wasn't magic. It was a clever, natural amendment that transformed ordinary dirt into a self-sustaining, nutrient-rich powerhouse. Today we're dusting off that knowledge, proving that sometimes old truly can be better than new. Unearthing the ancient power of biochar. The miracle we're talking about is biochar, an ancient form of charcoal made specifically for soil health. It's not the same as the briquettes you toss on a barbecue. This is a pure, carbon-rich substance created by heating organic matter like wood or crop residues in a low-oxygen environment. The result is a lightweight, porous material that acts like a long-term nutrient vault for your soil. Biochar has deep roots in history. In the Amazon basin, ancient communities crafted a rich black soil known as terra preta by mixing biochar with organic waste and other natural materials. This soil is still incredibly fertile hundreds of years later, proof that biochar doesn't just feed plants temporarily, it builds soil that lasts. These early farmers knew something we've largely forgotten. You don't just grow plants, you grow the soil that grows the plants. Why does biochar work wonders in the garden? Well, the magic of biochar isn't mystical, it's actually purely scientific. Its porous structure is kind of like a sponge on a microscopic scale, holding water in dry conditions and keeping roots hydrated for a lot longer. Those tiny pores also act as luxury apartments for beneficial microbes, the unseen workforce that breaks down nutrients and makes them available to your plants. Instead of nutrients just washing away after a rain or heavy watering, biochar actually locks them in place. Over time, it builds a stable, living ecosystem right beneath your feet. This means you get stronger root systems, faster growth, and plants that can withstand pests, diseases, and even unpredictable weather better than their untreated neighbors. It's honestly the difference between feeding your plants once and creating a buffet that just never runs out. From bare soil to a garden that truly thrives, seeing biochar in action is enough to turn any skeptic into a believer. In side-by-side plantings, the difference is, dramatic. Garden beds treated with biochar often produce crops up to 5 times larger than untreated ones, with richer leaf color, sturdier stems, and noticeably more blossoms or fruit. Gardeners who've tried it describe vegetables with deeper flavor, herbs with a more intense aroma, and flowers that bloom earlier and last longer. It's not just about looks, it's about resilience. Plants grown in biochar-enriched soil tend to survive droughts, better resist fungal infections, and recover faster from pest damage. You're not just getting more growth, you're getting a garden that's harder to break. How to bring biochar into your garden. Getting started with biochar doesn't require expensive tools or complicated processes. You can buy ready-made biochar from garden suppliers, or, if you're adventurous, make your own by slowly charring untreated wood or plant waste in a contained, low-oxygen burn. The key is to avoid ash-heavy burns. What you want is that lightweight, jet-black, honeycombed structure. Once you have biochar, don't just toss it in raw. Fresh biochar is like an empty sponge. It will soak up nutrients at first, potentially robbing your plants. To avoid this, charge your biochar by mixing it with compost, manure tea, or liquid fertilizer and letting it sit for a week or two. This primes it with nutrients and beneficial microbes so it starts working for your plants right away. When applying, mix the charged biochar directly into your soil, aiming for the top 6 to 8 inches where roots actively feed. For garden beds, work it in evenly across the surface before planting. For potted plants, mix it into your potting soil blend. Even small amounts make a difference, and because biochar doesn't break down quickly, one application can last for years. Tips for getting the best results. While biochar is incredibly forgiving, a few tips will help you get the most out of it. First, pair it with organic matter like compost. Biochar boosts nutrient retention, but it needs something to retain. Second, be patient. The soil ecosystem takes time to adapt, and results often become more dramatic in the second and third seasons. Third, experiment with different plants. Leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, and fruiting shrubs tend to respond especially well. Avoid overloading your soil with too much biochar at once, as it can change pH levels if used excessively. A moderate approach, combined with observation, will let you fine-tune the perfect blend for your garden's needs. Think of biochar as an investment. You're building long-term soil wealth, not just feeding plants for a single season. Why this ancient fix matters more than ever. In a world where fertilizers are expensive, water is scarce, and soil health is declining, biochar offers a sustainable, low-maintenance solution. It keeps nutrients where they're needed, reduces watering needs, and creates conditions for soil life to flourish. Every gardener who adds biochar isn't just growing better plants, they're contributing to healthier, more resilient ecosystems. This is more than a gardening trend. Researchers are exploring biochar's potential to store carbon in the ground for centuries, helping combat climate change while producing bigger harvests. It's proof that the wisdom of the past might hold the key to the problems of the future. Growing the future from the past. There's something deeply satisfying about reviving a practice that's both ancient and innovative. Using biochar connects us to generations of growers who understood that the soil is the real foundation of abundance. When you enrich it with this time-tested method, you're stepping into a tradition that spans thousands of years, and reaping the benefits almost immediately. So the next time you see a struggling plant, don't just reach for a quick fix. Think deeper, think longer term. Think about the soil under your feet as a living partner in your gardening journey. And maybe, just maybe, give it the gift that ancient farmers swore by, the gift of biochar.